referencing data from another component. This first table we've created displays data about our customers, but what if we want a second table to display the selected customers' orders? We can do that easily with another query that uses the first table's selectedRow property. In the bottom panel, click New to create a new query. Name it, and choose a resource, which in this case is the same as for the first table, the read-only onboarding Postgres database. We'll write a query that filters for orders with the same user ID as the first table's selectedRow. Now that we have this new query, let's add a second table component to display its data. Drag a table component from the right panel to the center canvas, and Retool will automatically prefill the data. These orders aren't sorted, so let's modify the query to also order by ID. To make the table easier to read, let's display the selected customer's name above our new table. Drag a text component from the right panel to the center canvas, and reference the first name property of the selected row from the first table. The text component will now update when we click on a different customer.